Cinnamon is a popular spice, cherished for its unique flavor and aroma. It comes from the bark of cinnamon trees, which are carefully harvested and dried to produce the spice we know and love. We use it in both sweet and savory dishes, adding a touch of warmth and depth to our culinary creations. Cinnamon has a warm, comforting flavor that enhances everything from baked goods to beverages. But did you know it has health benefits too? This humble spice is more than just a kitchen staple. Cinnamon can help with blood sugar regulation, support heart health, and provide a wealth of antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial as they protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules. This damage is caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can lead to oxidative stress and cellular damage. They can harm our cells, contributing to aging and various diseases. Cinnamon, with its powerful antioxidants, can help fight these free radicals, protecting our cells and promoting overall health. Cinnamon, a popular spice, may help regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively. Insulin helps our bodies use glucose for energy, which is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. When our bodies use insulin better, it can help lower blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications. Cinnamon may also improve heart health by addressing several key factors. Studies suggest cinnamon can lower bad cholesterol, also known as LDL cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. It may also lower blood pressure, another critical factor in maintaining cardiovascular health. These combined benefits make cinnamon a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet, contributing to overall well-being and longevity. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Cinnamon can help reduce this inflammation in the body. Cinnamon may also boost the immune system. It contains antioxidants that can help fight infections. This can help us stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Cinnamon may have other benefits too. Beyond its delightful flavor and aroma, this spice has been cherished for centuries, not just for culinary purposes, but also for its potential health benefits. It might help with digestion. Many people find that adding a pinch of cinnamon to their tea or meals can aid in soothing digestive issues and promoting a healthy gut. Some people use it to soothe an upset stomach. Whether it's a mild discomfort or a more persistent issue, cinnamon tea is often turned to as a natural remedy. Cinnamon is also used in dental care. Its antibacterial properties make it a popular ingredient in natural toothpaste and mouthwashes. It can freshen breath and help with oral hygiene. Chewing cinnamon-flavored gum or using cinnamon-infused mouthwash can leave your mouth feeling clean and fresh. It's important to note that cinnamon can have side effects in high doses. While it's generally safe in small amounts, consuming too much can lead to health issues. Coumarin is a compound found in cinnamon. This naturally occurring substance can be harmful if ingested in large quantities. High coumarin intake can be harmful to the liver. It's crucial to be aware of this, especially if you consume cinnamon regularly. It's best to consume cinnamon in moderation. A little bit can go a long way in adding flavor and potential health benefits to your diet. Talk to your doctor before using cinnamon as a treatment. Consulting with a healthcare professional ensures that you can safely incorporate it into your health regimen without adverse effects.